Hello friends and welcome to Ticker TV's Commodities Market Update with Jatin Trivedi. I am Senior Research Analyst with LKP for Commodities. So for this week we are going to see some action on to the commodities, basically on the energies market and the bullions prices. If you look at the current scenario where the Omicron virus is going to have some impact, and also it is having impact on the overall market scenario where the riskier assets have shown some resilience to cross on the higher side, and safe havens are doing well. A simple fact, it is a very general tendency when there is a sell off in the riskier markets. We will definitely have the safe havens rising on the higher side. As we have seen currently, the bullions market are showing some strong supportive measures. Although the prices are not yet very strongly bullish, but they are still holding on to the levels nicely. And so is the JPY currency as well, which has shown some good amount of recovery from the lower levels, as the JPY currency is also considered as a safe haven currency in an outlook where there are some negative aspects running around, whether be it economical crisis, whether be it global crisis, whether be it health wise issues, and it is affecting the economy, which is currently that we have seen due to the COVID-19 virus, and now the virus has multiple strains which is affecting the overall trade setup globally. So, what is the main topic which we are discussing over here is that in such scenarios where there is risk sentiment very high on the markets where the riskier assets would start underperforming, and what should be the strategy, and what should be the core way of looking at the markets, and what should be done. So it is 100% advisable that one should not keep all their investments into one basket, as we have the saying that all eggs should not be kept into one basket, because if the basket falls, all the eggs would be falling from that single basket. So have multiple choice option when you are investing. Not invest only in equities or on any such asset class which can be at the end of the day a very risky part. So always invest your money into the subcategories as well. For example, you can invest some part into the equities, some part into the commodities where there is some risky commodities as well, like energies basket. You can invest some amount into your safe havens such as gold and silver, some into safe havens like currencies like JPY and rupee, USD INR, I mean to say. So these are some subcategories where one should be looking at the investment opportunities as well, as your portfolio would definitely be balanced when there are some panic situations into the equities or the riskier assets, I mean to say. So this is what is going to help you. And I would like to tell you guys that some amount of percentage, if we talk about it, how much should be kept out of your total investments. It is strongly advisable that at least 15 to 20% should be into the safe haven, so that when the riskier assets start underperforming, and your uh, portfolio looks to be getting on a deteriorating side, your safe havens will stabilize your portfolio and keep you at balance, and you won't be in a situation where you might get into the position where you want to sell off everything and then start afresh. And every time you start afresh into your portfolio, it becomes a little bit of a unhealthy exercise where everything has to be started all over again, and you need to uh, consider your mind setup, your psychological mindset, that how much amount I would be investing in this asset, that asset. So you need to finalize xyz amount into the riskier and non-riskier assets. So this topic today is going to help you about how your balance should be in your portfolio sizes. And I would strongly recommend that 50 to 60% you can keep it into your riskier assets, 15 to 20% into debt, and 15 to 20% into the safe havens like bullions and the currencies as well. So I hope this audio definitely helps you into your investment outlook, that how you should be approaching the markets, especially when some panic situation comes. You need to stabilize yourself, especially when you have some big ticket size portfolio. Then it definitely would matter a lot if you do not hedge your position properly, or keep it diversified. So I hope this diversification guidance helps you into your outlook towards your market. So this is Jatin Trivedi signing off. Hope to catch you all next week again on the same commodities ticker TV's market front. Hope to catch you all next week again soon. Thank you.